We can start, sir.
Ah,
When are you expecting to open the theaters and what do you need for a kickstart?
in today's scenario, the theaters will not be opened until November because the main reason is the multiplexes. Multiplexes will not be open until there is a footfall. Footfall means the total collection of audience. Secondly, until the corona will not come into normal condition, especially in Maharashtra, in Bombay, multiplexes will not decide when to open it and how to open it. So there is a dilemma. When the distributors and Hindi film industry is not ready to open it, we cannot open the theaters at any cost.
And what is your plan to maintain the social distancing?
See, social distancing, there are three ways. The government has to decide what is a physical distancing, not social distancing. Physical distancing the norms will be planned by the government, number one. As per the theaters are concerned, we are removing one seat. If I said 1 to 15 seats are there, I will be removing all the event seats like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Rest of the seats will be there. So by this, there will be distance in between the two seats and the occupancy will be 50%. So we do not want to, that is one of the reasons we do not want to kill the film by removing the seats or making changing the multiplexes into miniplexes. So and another thing is, normally the tickets will be sold not in counters but in Book My Show or Paytms. That can not be possible for every film too. So there are many mechanisms. The government, the film industry, the producer council, the distributor council, and the directors has to decide to run the film.
What will be your strategy to improve the cafeteria business?
Cafeteria only popcorns and coffees.
How many theaters are you on and how much on the lease?
See, a lease, as per the lease, the total are on lease. All the theaters in the Andhra Pradesh are in lease. I have not been, firstly I have totally built it and given to the lease, but the norms have been planned by me only.
Have you renegotiated the rates?
No, not right now, but we wanted the GST of the central as well as the state should be removed from the ticket cost.
What is the business model being adopted by theater owners in the foreign countries?
So that is what I said. The countries has to decide. Country government has to decide. It's not the right. We are not in the position to design the form or design the norms in the film theaters. It is on the government and the health department and the cinematography ministries of the countries has to decide which film has to be started and which film has to be placed and when to be placed, how many shows to be planned. These are the things which we cannot design right now. Actually, we wanted only 3 shows. We are planning, as your previous question, only matinee, evening show and night shows. No morning shows.
What are the alternative strategies you have planned to improve the business?
Nothing. This OTT platform will be there. Only OTT platform. We are only designing OTT platforms. And OTT platforms and web series. From next financial year, there will be no movies, but I am planning for OTT platform for web series and OTT platform.
What is your message to the investors?
Plan for web series, not for movies.
What is your message for investors?
That is what I am saying. Plan for web series, not for movies.
What concessions you are looking from the government?
See, that's what I said. All the GSTs has to be removed out because the total occupancy is 30% or 50% is coming down. We cannot get the current charges also. So the only thing is that if the film is not running properly, the 50% will not be there. No? Occupancy 50% will not be there. It will be 25% or 30% only. At that condition, we cannot give the taxes to the government. No? So for 1 year or 1.5 years, it has been requested to not to have GST as state GST and central GST on the films.
What is your message for the audience?
Wait until the unlockdown comes into until the COVID-19 comes into normal. We cannot justify. We are apologizing that most of the films are not being getting released on time. They are not getting entertainments. They are not getting films. They are not getting plannings. They are not getting audios. They are not getting the events. We are getting. We are saying we are apologizing them, but some conditions are not in our hands. For example, I will tell you, nobody expected that UP will be locked down. Nobody expected Bihar will be locked down. Nobody expected Bengal will be locked down. Unless and until the whole thing becomes normal, we cannot make the market. We cannot plan the market of film industry. Therefore, the main business right now is OTT platform and web series. If they wanted to have web series and everything else want to do entertainment, it is better to plan web series, go for OTT platforms and see the entertainment, not to depend on the movies in the theaters. For example, many films have been directly released in Amazon. There are many movies are getting released in Netflix. Many movies are getting released in MX Player. Many films are getting released in Disney Hotstar. So the pictures which are been released will right now in near future in OTT platform only. They will not be depending on the theaters, when it will be started, how it can be started, what will be norms, and if in between there is the increase of COVID-19 will be there, virus will be there, then the theaters and the business will be closed down. So the graph of the business in the entertainment industry is not getting normal. It's not in straight line. It is up and down, up and down. Totally down is there, minus is there, minus it is going out. So it is better to the audience to see the movies which are been getting released in OTT platform rather than going to the theaters for at least 6 months.
You're right. You are giving the right advice.
Yeah?
You are giving the right advice even though that is not going in your favor.
No, in the favor. 2.5 crores up to 250 crores movie is getting released. People go for the theater and get the tickets. And ultimately you will get some of the patients, some of the students, audience are getting COVID-19 or something will happen in the city and the government of the state, central government or state government or collector or local government declares lockdown. What will be the industry right now? Industry will be down. We have to close down once more the multiplex.
And I may ask you one thing, what you have learned from the whole experience?
What experience you are talking? In 4 months. In 4 months, no?
Yeah.
In next generation will be OTT generation. There will be totally closure of the multiplexes if the situation will be like this. Already single screens are being closed. Multiplex will also be closed. A theater, a multiplex which is playing about 30 shows per day, in suppose the screens are 6 and 5 shows per day, are not in the position to screen one show per day. How can you guess what is the situation? 6 into 5 shows is 30 shows. 30 shows is a good movement, good revenue generation. But today, we are not in the position to screen one show.
Very bad.
Very worst. It is not bad. There is a worst condition.
Not in your control.
The country is not in our control. There are many reasons behind this. The reason we have 6 into 5 is 30 shows. Today we are not in the position to screen only one show. One show. Revenue is down.
And the maintenance cost will be heavy for reopening.
Exactly. The answer, you are also giving the answer. Maintenance cost. If it is a situation, suppose, I will give another example. Every film is being shown in the US premiere first. And after that, it will come to the India. People depend on abroad or overseas. But you cannot justify, for today, United States is the first country which is having the COVID-19. Unless the overseas market, it is affecting the overseas market. Any film release depends on overseas market, not the national market.
I see.
If the overseas market, it has touched it, then this country market will be there. If a producer, if a distributor is not capable to screen it in overseas,
yeah, what can't be shown can't be earned.
Cannot be earned. So what is this? Overseas is OTT platform. Do Amazon, do Netflix, do upload Disney Hotstar, upload everything else, give what is called pay 300 rupees in the as a subscription fees and see the movie.
You are right. This is a grim situation.
Yes. The revenue of the one person, I will give it another way. A revenue is a person goes to a theater, pays a minimum ticket cost of 150, in which if you remove 100 plus 50, 100 is the maintenance cost and 50 is for GST. When he enters the screen, I will give one more example. He will, when he enters the screen, he spends about 400 or 500 for popcorn and tea. Right?
Yeah.
If it, 500 rupees. 500 rupees, 5 people went. So if we done 500 into 4 is equal to 2000 is the revenue which is the theaters will be getting from popcorn, some teas and what is called samosas or blah 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 blah. Okay? Today, you are not in the position to get a 20 rupees or ticket cost right now. You are getting my point.
Yeah, you are right.
You are not in the position to get the tickets. Second point, if by a risk I open a theater, the occupancy, Dubai has taken the risk, UAE has taken the risk. You know what is the occupancy at that time when it is open the risk? That occupancy is only 20%.
I see.
It is in record, 20%.